Hi everyone, it's FranFran here. So today I'm gonna unbox the Gundam Converge series for Gundam Wing mobile suit for a car version. Here it is. So take a look at the box. It has all 5 units here, the Verka version of the model and this Waltz. So you can see all the figures here. I brought OSP here. So here the 5 are the Endless Wall original custom ones. So Heavyarm custom. Looks really good with the Joker. And here's the that side. Looking really good. The classic Wing custom, Zero custom. The Shenlong Gundam. I can't remember his name. Anyways, Nataku. Yeah, and then Sandrock. I like it, the cape, but it doesn't have it here. And the 2 blue and red can't remember their name, but they're cool as well. And then the TV series, the 2 main characters, the Wing Zero and the Epyon. Classic, they have the classic battles. Alright, now let's get to the good part, unboxing of this. I had this for quite some time, but I wanted to do an unboxing video, so I save it for now. Alright, let's get started. Let's move them, all the piers over, and let's get started. Okay, I guess there's a alright, so right on the top, the first guy we got is the Sandrock. Alright, let's put it aside. Oh, the second we got is Shenlong Verka. Wonder where's the pieces. Anyways, let's put it aside. And then here, oh, here's the Shenlong's accessories. Ah, here's the Heavyarm Verka. This is my favorite mobile suit. I don't know. I like the very big machine gun. Ah, here's the accessories for the Heavyarm. Here's the that side for a car. Its weapons and accessories. The Wing Gundam Verka. Oh, something fell off. Right. And its accessories. Alright. So, let's start with the order of where. Let's put this box away. Let's see the. Let's start with my least favorite, which is Sandrock build, but put them aside. I don't need my scissor. Alright. So we'll start with Sandrock. Interesting, it's the first time I'm doing this model. It's not actually a model kit, but unboxing of the Gundam Wing series. So much different than Yu-Gi-Oh! The Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading card is like so much more efficient. Trying to unbox them, I just open out the pack and then I can start reviewing. But this is kind of hassle to open up everything. Alright, so I clear the basket, the plastic bags. Here, there's a Sandrock. And first put on his antennas. I really like this Gundam Converge. It's small, and then the coloring is really good looking. Yeah, but they're easy to fall off, and then the parts is easy to get lost. So, and also it's easy to break. I remember breaking one of the Nataku's sword, and I had to fix them. And now since it's like, and then I can't really fix it, so I just leave it as is without the weapon. Right. So this goes here. For his backpack to store his sword. But he has his sword in his hand, so I guess we'll just leave it like this. Alright, and then put it on the bottom display deck. I guess I'm not sure what it's called. Alright, now, very quick, finish the first one, the Sandrock. Alright, then we'll move to the next one, the Shenlong Gundam. It's cool. Double the weapons out. Then dump the main body. Oh, I got stuck on the leg. Oh, you guys can't see. Alright, here's his deck, here's his weapon, there's the Shenlong head, here's his hand, and the shield. Can't focus, eh? Oh, here we go. And then his hand holding a sword. I remember. Yeah. Alright, I can see my phone's getting hot. I'm gonna pause a little bit after I finish Shenlong, and then to have my phone rest a little bit, and then continue in the next section, I guess. Alright, getting the Shenlong into my arm. It's not that easy to do, eh? Oh, the head's fell off. What happened? The head is agile. And then the antenna. And the shield. And lastly, put it right on the deck. Then we're finished. Shenlong Gundam. I'd rather call him Nataku, but let's resume to unbox the next one. The next one is that side. Looks pretty good. I like mobile suit without wings, but with just only a backpack. The wing looks very heavy, so that's why I kind of don't prefer the Gundam to have wings. Interesting. Even though my favorite series is Gundam Wings. The reason I like Gundam Wing is because Gundam Wing is a series that somewhat more realistic to the age now. A lot of the mechanics is very realistic. It's not like, like rocket science, quantum mechanics stuff. Everything is aerodynamic, and then the attacks are relatively more thermal stuff instead of like lasers and light. Right, here is that side without everything. Alright, and here's a hand. Let me put on the hand. Yeah, when you put on those spots, be careful because they're really agile. Fragile, I mean. Agile. Very fragile, easy to break. Put on the antenna. And the backpack. This is my favorite backpack out of them all. Looks really good. Here, that side, and put on the deck. Display deck. Perfect. Looking really sharp. Nice. Alright, let's move on to the Wing Ver car. Right. Here's it in the bag. Cut it open. Alright, put this back on. Interesting with the eye with the red part. Looking pretty good. I always wanted to do a YouTube channel, but I'm not sure what kind of topic to use, so I kind of just start with unboxing. Since I have so many things I can unbox, and a lot of things I installed I haven't not unboxed, and use this to kind of practice my video shooting skills, to kind of get my feet wet into the YouTube. So here's the Wing Gundam Ver without anything. Alright, put on his wings, put on his shield, put on the antenna, and then put it on the display. That go forward. Whatever. Oh, I'm missing his gun. Oh, here it is. It's a buster rifle. Well, look really good. These for Converge kit are pretty expensive. They cost around the same as a HG kit, Bandai HG kit. But man, they look really good. I really like the cute, like the downsize feel of these figures. Just like the Gundam Converge. Actually, I like, not Gundam Converge, the NX Edge series. I actually like this better though. Oh, the last one, the Heavyarm, my favorite. Alright, let's open up. Accessories. As you guys can see, I'm not very familiar with like the video shooting angles, but just as practice. Here we go. Everything out. Oh, someone's phoning me. Let me call him back later. Here is my Heavyarm, and then I put on the antenna first, then his head side I have not been put on, and put them on first. Seems like it's not easy to put on. Oh, you took the head off first. Wonder why this is taken off. Maybe it's just not very easy to put. Here we go. And his extensions for his gun. So how does this go in? Is there a hand or something? Oh, here's the hand. Hand is on this side. Okay. So I guess how it works, it's it'll be my favorite, the most complicated. Okay, so you put it in like this. Okay, and then this one probably goes here and connects something like this probably. Not sure how, but anyways. And then the other hand. Alright, cool, looking really good. Yeah, here's our heavy arm. Looking really good. Alright. Yeah, so here are all the sets that I unboxed today. And put the overall picture here. Every single guy. Yeah, look very grand and massive. Looking very good. Alright, so that comes to the end to my video. All these units looks really good, and if you guys like what I'm doing with my video, please comment and like the video, and see you guys next time. Thanks. Peace.